uh, just
It
one.
feels so good, to we have a one-on-one with you, sir. Like
Obviously,
being
I
an
mean, we have to plan it, man. I mean, also good to see the less brokerage and you're following one system. That's again a very good thing. So I think I also recorded a one-to-one with Bhargav. Uh,
yes, sir, yes, sir.
so I think I recorded yesterday only. So this will be my one, again another one-to-one. So great. I
Okay.
mean, if you're okay with switching on the camera, you can do it. And if you're not okay with it, that's all right. Okay.
Oh, let me say.
Okay.
Hi,
Great.
sir.
Great.
Hi.
Great, Animesh. So what do you do, Animesh? Right.
So I'm currently a student. Okay, sir. So I'm doing mechanical engineering, and I'm
Okay.
yes, sir. I'm in third year of my engineering, and I'm studying in Bangalore.
Studying in
So
Bangalore. Okay. Great. So my
yes.
wife is from Bangalore.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'll
Yes,
be
sir.
coming to Bangalore very soon, probably in the month of Feb. So
We'll meet soon. We'll meet
sure,
for
sure,
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 sir.
sure, sure. We'll meet a lot of
Yes, sir. Many of our community members are from there.
I'm from Bangalore. Yes, yes,
Yeah, we discussed in a group. So
correct.
yes, sir. Like from being an just one of the students which come every month, and we have a you just teach them and to becoming one very few students who have a
Yeah, yeah.
one on
Obviously, you
one.
see, again, when
Yeah.
we more talk about these one-to-one, we know that it's going to be one of those, like we're following, like picking one system. For example, a lot of you are following 15 minutes insider as well and getting
Yes, sir.
good results. So the point is to stick around with one thing. And
Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah, and also good to see the reduction in the brokerage charges from your side. Otherwise the charges
Yes,
were
sir.
a lot, so that has come down, which is commendable. So again, so we'll talk. So now that we will start talking about your trading style as well, Animesh. So checking on your performance as well. I think that's good. But apart from that, what is your exactly trading style?
Okay,
Are you
sir.
a
So
breakout trader or a reversal trader?
no, no, sir. I'm a breakout trader. Actually, when you taught many styles, many trading styles.
Correct.
So very few of them, like which I liked. But like as you said, like you had told us not to hop, from one system to another,
Correct.
and
Correct. Yeah.
but as a beginner, you want to trade everything. You want to trade
Correct.
every
Correct.
day. You
Correct.
want to trade
That
everything.
there is an urge
So
which will happen in the beginning,
yes, sir. So
and that's why we also understand that when we teach, it is quite obvious that people would like to hop to everything, and that's
yes,
why we
sir.
give that heads and tails exercise in the first 20 days, because that
Yes, sir.
keeps you
Yes, sir.
focused. That okay,
Yes,
fine,
sir.
for the 20 days I'm not supposed to do anything, because if
I'll
you're able to sustain those 20 days, no,
yes,
probably
sir.
you will feel very easy, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because if
Sir,
from day one you start trading the setups, it's going to be so. Again, with this current December batch, we did not introduce the heads and tails exercise with them, so they
okay.
were facing this execution fear. So we are
Yes,
going to
sir.
introduce the same thing again with them starting from 20th of January. Well, they'll again start with the heads and tails exercise.
Yes, sir. Sir, like even if you join any batch, okay, like if you join any course, any trade,
Correct, correct.
like you will get to know many of styles, okay. But two things, which really changed my trading style was one, which you always tell that execution is the edge, okay, sir.
Correct,
Like initially on the starting, I thought, okay, like you because you used to share PNL
correct.
earlier. So I
Yeah,
was seeing that I thought, okay, everybody is making money, so I'll
correct,
also make
correct,
money. Okay,
correct,
so it would be a great thing. Okay,
correct.
so but and secondly, you like hopping systems.
Yeah,
So
that is
yes, sir. So actually, what happened was like I joined your course. We did all the teaching. So and but I had exams and all on that time, so I could
okay.
not trade. So my accountability partner, Sai. Okay, he is my
So
accountability partner.
okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
he's still your accountability partner.
Yes, sir. We still discuss. We still
He's
whenever we
a he's
trade.
a he's a gem of person, right? So he's also
Yes, sir.
accountability partner with Kanishk.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
so
Uh,
so so again, having a right accountability partner is very, very important. I
yes,
mean, more than me, it's the accountability partner who's going to support you,
yes,
because
sir.
you're talking to that person day in, day out.
Yes, sir. Day in day out. Plus, we are very frank. Okay, because
Yeah,
we become like friends, so we are much frank
yeah,
with our partners.
Yeah,
So
and he's
it
also
helped.
from South, right? Sai, I
Yeah,
guess.
he's from Hyderabad. He's from
Hyderabad. Yeah.
Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, like basically, I'm from Lucknow. I'm from Lucknow. I study in
Okay.
Bangalore.
Oh, you study
Okay.
in Bangalore. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
So, like he shared his first month PNL. Okay.
Okay.
So he used to tell me always I took this trade today. I took this trade today. I used to see his PNL. But when I saw his journal, okay, sir, for the first month, he had taken about 10 to 20 trades. Okay,
Okay.
all different styles. Okay,
Yeah.
reversals,
Yeah.
breakout. He even took one this thing overnight trade also. But
Correct.
his monthly PNL was some 100 rupees. Okay, sir, 100, 200,
Okay.
something like that.
Yeah.
And it was a shock to me. Like
Correct.
he took so many trades, so many things, but still only some money.
Yeah.
Then I remembered your thing that only stick to one thing only.
Correct.
Then I did what I back tested this PDH system. Okay,
Okay.
I back tested it and I saw the results. They were
But in
amazing.
the
So
beginning, when you seeing the result and then actually starting trading is these are two different things.
very different, sir. If you remember, till mid October, like I joined your batch in I think July, and I started trading from September. So
Okay.
September and mid October, these 1.5 months, sir, very difficult. I used to
Correct.
sometimes call you also. You
Correct.
I failed, I could not do this, you could not do that, and you used to tell, just be fearless and all. But taking the trades, first of all, entering a trade was difficult, then
Correct.
running the positions,
Correct.
because I used to trade on a low capital. So
Yeah.
even one lot of options was
Correct.
a big thing for me. So like 1,000, even if I used to see 1,000 rupees profit, I
Yeah.
used to exit. So
Okay.
I could not make money, whenever the big days used to come.
Correct.
I was, I had only 1,000 rupees profit, 1,000 rupees profit. So
Yes.
it was not good. But after 1.5 months, I saw like no change, no. So I thought like I can't, I should take risk. Okay, like to run trades, to
Correct.
take all trades, to enter in all trades. Okay, because the system is showing me that the system is making money,
So, I
but I
mean,
am not.
so I always tell, people to have two things in place. First is the way you back tested. So
Yes, sir.
after the day is ended, right, you need to put how you traded for real. And on your right hand side, you should have, like, how you would have traded as per your back tested data.
Back tested. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you will
sir.
get that difference. And if after a month or 3 months, if you're able to see that that difference has come down from this to this, that is when you can say that, okay, your execution has improved.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Exactly. So then for an October month was very good because the breakout had just come out, and the days were very great. So
October was
that,
great. It
yes,
was
sir, that
superb.
month I made a lot of money. And
Yeah.
then
November was difficult.
yes, November was difficult. First of all, November was difficult. Secondly, I used to enter in futures,
Yeah.
and that too one lot only. So
Okay.
either I can exit at any point, like 100 points, 200
Okay.
points, or I can continue till day end. And that was a difficult month. So that time I used to enter in options. See, like, because I
Okay.
didn't want to lose money, because saving your capital is also
Okay.
one
Yes. Yes.
thing.
Correct. Correct.
So
Correct.
this November and December, I used to enter in options, one lot options.
Okay.
So, and if you see my like PNL, if I've shared with you,
Yeah.
uh, I could not make, I was consistent, I was profitable. Like
Yeah.
I had made 6,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees per month,
Hmm.
November and December. But
But I think
that's not.
what's your capital?
I started with 1 lakh. Okay, sir. I
Okay.
started with 1 lakh
But I think
initially.
if you're able to make 5 to 6K in a difficult month, that's
Yes, sir.
not
That's
bad.
Yes, sir, that's not bad, but
Yeah.
that's not my style.
Yeah.
Like entering in that too in one lot. What
Okay.
like after that October month.
Yeah.
Because I had this confusion, and I shared it with you. I had shared it on a call that
Correct.
because I want to enter till day long, but
Yeah.
there are days where there are reversal will take place, like in Friday. On Friday, it went up till 300 points. Again, it
Correct.
came back. So you
Correct.
have to be profitable on that day also. You cannot go back on
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
loss.
Obviously.
Yes, sir. So what I decided was to enter in two lots, and to partially exit one lot, and then carry on the remaining lot. So
Okay.
what I thought, and but I had to manage my risk also,
Yes.
because entering futures is again
Is
big
is
risk,
again
and that to two lots.
yeah.
Yeah, so what I thought was, make my capital, a little like, around 1.6 to 1.7 lakhs,
Okay.
then enter in two lots.
Okay.
So till December end, when my capital reached, this 1.7 lakhs,
So how it
then
reached 1.7? I mean, did you add money or was it?
see,
Uh,
50,000 rupees was profit. Okay.
okay.
50,000 rupees was profit, which I shared with you.
Right.
20,000 rupees I added
Okay.
from
Perfect.
my own
Perfect.
side. So then 1.7 lakhs. And then, I uh, first first trade, that on Tuesday or Wednesday,
Correct.
that trade, was my first trade of, and that was, amazing. That was 20K.
Yeah.
So now I
So
have,
how did you manage to hold on to that trade until day end? I mean, I think because it did not come down or touch the EMA even once.
yes, sir. Actually,
How are
what
you
happened was,
trading your profits, by the way? What method do you use?
sir, see, what I do is like, I again back tested. Okay, after
Okay.
so what I found out was, if there are, if a day has to be trending. Okay, if the breakout is to be, true breakout, true PDS breakout, either two things can happen. Either it can be, trending full day. Matlab
Okay.
it can come down below EMA. It can, retrace, but it will be trending
It will be
till
trending.
day
Okay.
end. Okay.
Okay.
Secondly, what can happen is, it can go up to a certain limit, then it can retrace, and it can be, come down. Okay.
Okay.
So if the day is trending till the end, you will be profitable. Okay, till
Okay.
if you exit at 3 p.m. And
Okay.
for the second case, what, I backtested was like, most of the time, okay, most of the time you will be able to capture 300 points, around
Okay.
300 points. Okay.
Okay.
So what I do now is like, from this January month, what I've started is like, I enter in two lots,
Okay.
then place a sell order for 300 points for one lot. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and for as soon as it captures 300 points, one lot is exited, and
Okay.
second lot is exited at 3 p.m.
Okay. So
So
no using EMA, nothing,
no,
right?
no, no, sir, because
Because
EMI.
using an EMA has one disadvantage, that you have to look at the screen, and that actually
Yes,
eats
sir.
up your emotions.
Actually, sir, look, if you look at the screen, okay, because
The
discretionary,
M2M is moving in front of you.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because you think like, okay, some pattern is forming. Okay,
Correct.
then
Yeah.
there is this like, bull trap, bear trap. So many things. Okay.
So many things are happening, right, in the
Yes,
market.
sir. And that will, all you will all, and like what I have experienced, like
Yeah.
earlier also,
Yeah.
in September and October,
Right.
and
Yeah.
like my this accountability partner Sai, because
Yeah.
I have a talk with him, so he exits with EMA. Okay, so sometimes he also tells me, okay, so that this is happening, and he exits, I exit, and then we later regret, okay, that the day was so good, and because
Okay.
re-entry, is very difficult, first of all.
Re-entry because you have booked a loss and then entering again is the
Again,
most
yes, sir.
difficult.
And if you have even yeah, if you have booked a profit, okay,
Yeah.
so if you want to go profitable home, and
Yeah.
you have a thought, okay, that this might incur loss, so it is very and again, sir, you again wait for, if you are waiting for confirmations, then there are n number of confirmations. So
Correct.
re-entry is very difficult, first of all. Secondly, sitting, I don't want to sit at the screen, because if I'll look at the screen, I'll have so
You
many
will end up making mistakes.
yes, that day, what I did was, I just, booked, placed all the orders. I closed the mobile, and I, opened my mobile at 3 p.m. exact 3 p.m. I saw my, and I just closed it, and then I texted you at 3 p.m. exact. So
Correct.
and that was very relaxing. Okay,
Yeah.
that was very relaxing, and
I
then I
think for traders also, if they understand this, that booking a loss is not difficult, but booking that loss after spending so much time in front
yes,
of the
sir,
market is difficult.
it's difficult. Yes,
Imagine
sir.
you entering in the stop loss hit in 15 minutes. At least you're done for the day.
Yes, sir.
Imagine you sitting, you watching that EMA going, waiting for that candle close.
Yes,
A
sir.
lot
Yes,
of
sir.
other things happen. Right. In that case, what usually happens, because you've spent so much time watching the screen and it's just
Yes, sir.
correct.
And secondly, sir, like, entering, like exiting, as we discussed, and then entering a trade, entering a trade is again difficult, because sometimes you are discretionary, like that day also, as we discussed, that we had, four profitable days, so we were
Correct. Yeah.
expecting a retracement. Okay, so there had been many days in November and December also, where we were expecting something else, and something
Right.
else happened, and that was too big.
And I'll tell you that at times, because your technical knowledge can at
Yes, sir.
times make you feel so miserable.
Yes, sir.
So in that cases, what I do is I'll give you a small trick. For example,
Yes,
let's say you have, because see, this actually increases your probability by 70-75%. What you have to do is see if there has to be a trend. I'm not saying it will give a retest, but what
yes,
it
sir.
will do is it will go up, give you one opposite color candle.
Yes, sir.
For example, let's say there is a PDH breakout, and I am expecting a PDH breakout to happen because this was a fresh level of resistance, right? It's
Yes, sir.
breaking it for the first time. So what I'll do is I'll always look for one opposite color candle.
Yes, sir.
So I would basically wait for a breakout, retracement, and then continuation.
Then
So I'll tell you
breakout.
what
Yes, sir.
happens is that, for example, let's say tomorrow I'm expecting a easy breakout trading. Let's say this is my plan. Tomorrow,
Yes,
what
sir.
I will do, breakout ho raha hai, I'll just jump into a trade. But let's say the breakout is not happening. According to me, tomorrow is going to be a sideways day as per price action, because today was a very good trending day. Now tomorrow also, if there is a PDH breakout R1, so let's say there is a breakout, then I would wait for a small retracement and then continue. So I would just place a buy order at the high of the breakout candle. That is what I do if I'm not prepared for the breakout.
Yes, sir. Actually, as a bit, like I have been, only 5 to 6 months. So still, that thought comes in. Like that thought used to come in. Okay, like we are expecting this. Okay, this should not happen. This should happen.
Yeah.
Or there are various things. Okay. But what?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. But what I came out with is like when I'm back testing a system. Okay.
Yeah.
I do not know how was the time at that.
Day?
Yeah.
Correct.
Because I'm not seeing that there might be any thought. I do not have any thoughts while I'm back testing. So while entering, okay, if again I'm not having any thought, so by the end of the month again I should be profitable, because according to back testing data.
Correct.
So what I am on that day, I think when I was traveling, when you texted me that retracement day, I entered, I saw that that thing that it is showing rejection. But because it was a breakout, and I just entered with one lot because I was traveling.
Yeah.
Because if at the end of month, the main goal is to be profitable at the end of month.
But that's a very good mindset that you've developed, Animesh, and that too at a very early stage of your trading career, right? That following a system. Now I'll tell you. So if you want to convert this same system to swing trading,
yes, sir,
you can do something like, for intraday, I'm doing the previous day high, previous day low. For short-term trading, you can do previous 2-day high, 2-day low. For swing trading, you can do previous 3-day high, 3-day low. So the same system can be expanded as per your holding period.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to enter when there was this consolidation breakout in Bank Nifty.
In the weekly time frame breakout, which we
had. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I wanted to enter. I was just in talks with Sai that should I enter or not, because he was, I think, also in plan. But I was planning to enter with one lot of options. But entering again, I had seen him, because he he always experiments, and I see his results. So one time I had seen that, because he had hedged it. So because entering in options, that to hedged, he had not made much profit, because the option buying had taken much of the profits. So entering naked in the options selling was much greater. So that was the reason I did not take the trade. And plus, I'm not that.
But I'll tell you one thing also, Animesh. So when we are talking about option selling, overnight, it's always better to hedge it with far OTM, right? And if you're very bullish, you can actually go naked options buy.
Okay.
That's better. I'll tell you why. Because see, what the breakout that we saw was on a weekly time frame. So see, weekly or a daily time frame, right? We're not talking about some 15 minutes chota mota time pass breakout.
Yes, sir.
We're talking about breakout
big breakout
from a bigger range. In those cases, for example, even the stocks which comes in the scanner on Telegram, you can actually take those stocks in options. First of all of them are Nifty 50 stocks. All of them are on the based on. So यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे? Previous day high, previous day low रहे. Scanner में जो stocks आ रहे वो आ रहे monthly breakout, monthly low breakout. So obviously those stocks are even stronger breakouts.
Yes,
so that is why you can take those trades in this as well.
What Sai does is a good thing. Like he also trades this PDH breakouts.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is his one account, And second is his active account where he takes, multiple trades, based on reversals and
That
all.
is again, I think, yeah.
So, he can, just, differentiate between everything.
Experiment to learn.
Experiment to learn. So, I had also, because I had taken an SL, then there were, reversals, there were, reversal trades and all.
Correct.
But because, again, first of all, risk, and, because that's not my thing. Even if I'm seeing that reversal thing and all, I had to control, because one day I can
you
do
don't read.
possibly.
That's not your cup of tea. Simple.
Yes, sir. Simple. So that's like, these these months, these time, I'm just, putting up
Just
with
give me one.
going on with these psychology things, like as Bhargav sir told, because he is like, again, one of our idols.
Again. So I was talking to him yesterday. I mean, you won't believe, he's been so patient. He's taken only 6 to 7 trades in the last 2 to 3 months.
Sir, see, like, and like one lot also, like one lot, 40,000, 50,000.
I mean, you have to choose whether you want to take trades every day, or whether
Yes,
you
sir.
want to, again, see what he's into swing. So what
Yes,
he's
sir.
doing is, so that's what I'm saying. Instead of taking a PDH, PDL, he's focusing more on 3DH, 3DL.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, sir,
so
yes, sir.
obviously, if you are getting 7 trades in a month, I can say
yes,
average
sir.
trade should be 7 to 8. Am I right? For
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir.
So for him, it's going to be 2 trades.
2 trades. Yes,
divide
sir.
by
Yes,
3.
Sir. Correct.
Whatever
Correct.
number
Correct.
of trades you get, he just has to divide it by 3.
Yes, sir.
That's how it is going to be for him.
Yes, sir. So first, like, his psychology, his psychology is very great, like, because he can just, like, even if he sees anything, like, what I'm currently studying also, like, what psychology thing, like, even I'm seeing anything down, what I have taken out the way is to just close the laptop and mobile.
Correct.
Just do not see it, because there will be an urge after some, like, if what I'm testing is like full this month, and coming months, taking every trades according to my system, and I'm not seeing,
So how do you
anything
distract yourself from any discussions, group discussions, or my update? How do you distract yourself from that?
Sir, I have like most of the updates, I like in the group and all, I do not see. Okay,
that's perfect.
Because yes, sir, like, I have my, like, for I do what, like, this PDS thing is my own thing. I need no help for this. Okay. Secondly, I have my permanent post list for swing trading.
Yeah, while you're talking about that different styles, okay, now that we're talking, also I want everyone to understand the different styles in which people trade, right? For example,
Yes,
you are somebody who's trading on one system, and let's say there is Sai, your accountability partner, who's trading multiple systems. So what is the kind of what do you think is the main difference between you and Sai in terms of trading results, trading psychology, and trading temperament during the day?
Sir, like, first of all, the difference, he can sit in front of the screen all day, like, because he follows EMA, and sometimes he does exit early, and like, I cannot do that. What he can does it. Okay. Like, our exiting style, our entry style is same, but our exiting style is very different, and I cannot do what he does. And I do not know about like, for booking partial profits, and like, trading multiple accounts, the same, that is the same thing. Okay. Like, I do, because this reversal thing. Okay. Doing reversal on a same account, is very,
very difficult. You cannot do it only.
Yes, sir. You cannot do it.
You cannot do it. No matter how smart you are, but you cannot trade breakout, reversals,
yes, sir.
in one account.
Yes, sir. So, like, one of my 5 favorite reversals is, that day high breakout, and then there is a big red engulfing candle. Okay. So that is very promising to me. Okay.
That
like,
is basically buyers got trapped at day high.
Yes,
or sellers got trapped at day low.
Day low. This is my favorite. Okay. But like, according to this risk management,
but again, if you see, this type of reversal trading, it actually comes in the fake breakout category.
Category. Yes, sir.
I mean, it's not that you're trading a supply zone, you're trading a breakout that failed.
Yes, sir.
Psychologically, it is easier than trading a pin bar at day high.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That again, this is the thing now, which I was telling you, because this is my favorite. Okay. So whenever there is a breakout, day high breakout, okay, like there is sometimes a day high breakout as well as PDS breakout.
Yes,
So at that time, I used to have thoughts. Okay, should I wait for one more candle because it can be, but
correct.
again, having so many thoughts, messes with your psychology. So this is the thing why I do not,
You
do
cannot. That's what I'm
other
saying. You just cannot trade multiple sets. That is
multiple
again
setups.
one thing. Knowing setups and trading setups, they are
It's
two
very,
different things.
yes, sir. So this is the main reason I do not trade any different setups. Okay,
Perfect,
because
perfect.
because index again, and there are
In any which ways,
uh,
if you're trading index, chances of over trading comes to negligible.
yes, sir, negligible. Because when if you are following one setup, like if we just say for tomorrow, yesterday, that breakout had failed, but the reversals, had worked very good. But
Correct.
there could be days, okay, where
Where
that
reversals
two
may fail.
reversals also could
But
fail.
we are always in that, what happened today is what we look forward to.
Yes, sir.
Usually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I always take the thing that is my risk first, because saving the capital is the biggest
Is
thing.
survive.
Yes,
Because
sir.
there will come one day, like I always tell people, just do keep on doing the same thing, matlab, these fishermen, right? What they do, they keep on doing the same thing. They'll just put the thong in the water,
Yes, sir.
pick it, same day,
Again,
same thing
again, again.
every day, right? And one fine
Yes,
day you
sir.
will get, you may end up catching a whale. And that is
Yes,
the
sir.
same with PDH, PDL.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
just
sir.
imagine if you had bought the Nirmala Sitaraman candle, because it was also a PDH breakout.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You took that and you would have held till day end. You would have been like, मैं तो पूरे साल का return एक ही साथ बना दिया.
एक ही साथ में. Yes, sir.
But that will come only and only if you trade every day. So people tell me, I missed today's moment.
Yes,
You
sir.
missed it because you are trying too many things at the same time.
At the same time, because I was also at of the same group. Okay,
Same,
because
everyone. Yeah.
I also had
So
like in
like, और मैं
इसीलिए.
आपको बोल रहा हूँ ना, even in a bad month, even in a choppy month, आपको नुकसान नहीं होगा.
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
ऐसा कोई बड़ा नुकसान नहीं, आप कैपिटल चला जाएगा, ऐसा कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला.
नुकसान नहीं होगा सर. if you are with your risk management, if you are following risk management, आपका कैपिटल खत्म नहीं हो, मतलब सर नुकसान होना ही नहीं है सर.
भगवान भी आ जाए तो भी कैपिटल खत्म नहीं कर सकता, ऐसी
सर
बात.
इसीलिए, yes sir, because November and December, these are the witnesses,
या
because I had not taken every trade. Okay, I entered in options.
हाँ,
Okay, that
सब
too,
गलतियां कर दी जो करनी थी.
yes sir. Okay, but and that time, because at that uh, when going up, okay, going up, the mind feels very good. Okay, because आपको लगता है कि हाँ और जा सकता है, और जा सकता है. बट सर जब गिरता है तो आपको पता नहीं होता ना कि कब तक गिर सकता है.
कब
ओके,
तक गिर
सो द
सकता है.
माइंड साइकोलॉजी. ओके,
एंड ऑप्शंस
सो
बाइंग को आप ट्रेल नहीं कर सकते.
ट्रेल नहीं कर सकते. सो I entered in option selling. Okay, I did not enter in any option buying in
अच्छी
November
चीज.
and December, but still I was profitable at the end of month, at the end of both months. So
वही बोल
that
रहा हूँ,
was,
नुकसान नहीं होता है, ये समझते
नुकसान
नहीं है
नहीं
लोग,
होगा.
बट नुकसान नहीं
यस सर,
होता है
यस सर.
ट्रेडिंग में. ट्रेडिंग में नुकसान हो
इसीलिए
ही नहीं सकता, आप कोशिश करोगे तो भी नहीं हो पाएगा.
तो भी नहीं हो
अगर
पाएगा.
आप
इसीलिए
अभी 1 नवंबर का आप देख लो, चलो मेरे को 2-3 स्टॉप लॉस एक साथ हिट हुए, आपने महीने के लास्ट के 3 ट्रेड ले लिए होते ना, जो आपने
यस
ले
सर.
लिए और छोड़ दिया भगवान भरोसे, वो 3 ट्रेड आर इक्वल टू द नेक्स्ट 10 लूजिंग ट्रेड्स. इतने बड़े बड़े ट्रेड्स थे.
Yes, sir. Even if you just look in January, because the January,
हाँ,
only 10 days have passed. Two trades, okay, like which the
ये जो
first trade,
पहले पहले वाले
हाँ
ट्रेड
हाँ,
थे.
पहले दो trades.
हाँ,
Even if somebody enters, okay, like even if I would have like when I had made 20,000,
हाँ,
and in that day I could have made, if I had entered in futures, I could have made 30,000 something and all.
अच्छा,
So 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, even if
हो गया.
I lose for the next 4-5 trades, I will lose maximum 20,000 rupees.
हाँ,
Still
समझ गया.
30,000 rupees मेरे पास आ जाएंगे महीने के, and that is a lot.
That is
So
a lot.
and this is the
बस
only
वही
thing which
मतलब
I am.
मैथ्स है बेसिकली. ट्रेडिंग इज
Maths,
मैथ्स.
yes sir. Maths, yes sir, yes sir.
वही वही.
This is the thing,
ठीक
yes
है.
sir.
बट अच्छा लगा. It was a great talk. I'm gonna share it soon with all the learners. So
Yes sir. This was again, as I
मजा
told
आया.
earlier,
वापस बात करेंगे अपन, and we'll have a talk on YouTube as well, live YouTube. We'll stream it live and we'll have a good talk. So that would be
sure sir.
interesting. And good part was हमने पूरी 1 घंटे की चर्चा में एक बार चार्ट भी नहीं देखा. That is because we don't, because as a trend trader हमको चार्ट नहीं भी देखे तो भी चलता
नहीं
है.
देखें. Yes sir, yes sir,
वो
yes
एक्चुअली
sir,
ज्यादा अच्छा है.
yes sir.
तो ट्राई करो. अगेन अगेन मैंने आपको बताया, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग से शॉर्ट टर्म में जाना हो तो फोकस ऑन 2 डे हाई ब्रेकआउट. और अगर स्विंग जाना हो फोकस ऑन
sir.
3-day हाई. सो
Okay, sir.
दैट वुड वर्क आउट. ठीक है. और स्टॉप लॉस आप छोटा ही रखो. स्टॉप
Yes,
लॉस छोटा
sir.
ही रखना है. बस हम ट्रेड को कम कर रहे हैं.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ट्रेड को कम कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है. चलो,
Yes,
with
sir.
that note, it was great talking to you. It was pleasure. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
चलिए.
Okay, sir. Bye,
Yeah.
sir.